Hi, my name is Kalina Chakarova. I'm a partner with the Bulgarian law firm Jingov, Guginski, Kichukov and Velichkov, and I would like to give you a short outline of the currently effective advertising and promotional laws in Bulgaria. Uh, those laws are pretty modern. They implement the European directives that govern the area. Bulgaria is a member state of the European Union, so in terms of regulation and in terms of enforcement, you wouldn't find anything that is that exotic in the country. The most active body in the country enforcing misleading and comparative advertising rules is the Competition Protection Commission. It's very important to keep an eye on its practices because they act ex officio and per a complaint of a competitor. So even if you're not in a competition war, you shouldn't be surprised if you're approached with a long list of questions by the commission about a certain ads that you placed on a TV or radio. What is also important is that the commission is entitled to impose sanctions that are pretty high, I would say. The ceiling of the sanctions is 10% of the total turnover, although they usually reach to 2 or 3%, but still it could be really a significant amount of a fine that one would have to pay. They are most sensitive to misleading advertising and to free gifts, so just bear in mind that once you plan to launch such a campaign, you should be very careful about the possible implications. There are certain sector-specific laws that are important to be checked prior to a campaign. Those relate mainly to products such as tobacco, alcohol, drugs, and to activities such as gambling, but always be careful about the sector-specific regulations. Bulgarian authorities generally active. Maybe the authority that is worth mentioning is this self-regulating body, that is the National Council for Self-Regulation. Their decisions are obligatory only for the members, but if you are not a member of the council, then you would be somehow forced to implement the decision because they will otherwise send the information to the competent authorities. So if you launch a campaign, it's my strong recommendation that you are careful and check all the papers in advance with capable professionals. Thank you.